Alright guys, welcome back. When I saw these, I knew I had to get my hands on some before they were sold out, and sure enough, I think in the first day they sold out. So I got a floppy handle on the 85. You can see it's even chipped the paint a little bit. So we're gonna put these SVE billet units in there. I'm gonna paint them to match, you know, Dove gray to match the car. That's not really gonna look good with that raw finish, but I think it'll look good all painted. So stay tuned. Let's get them prepped up and ready to paint. I'm getting these ready to paint and scuffing them up with the red Scotch-Brite pad and just getting them so they're not shiny anymore. That's how I know they're good and scuffed up, and I could be able to prime them. You see this one, I'm gonna paint the brackets to match too, and this one hasn't been done yet. He's still pretty shiny, so I'm gonna finish those up, and then I'm gonna shoot some of this self-etching primer on there, probably about 3 coats, and then I'm going to sand it down with some 400 grit and call it good. So this is after the first coat, and you can still kind of see the machine marks in the aluminum. So I'm probably got at least a couple more left, so let's see if we can get it smoothed out. All right guys, I got them all prepped, they're primed, and I scuffed it up with some 320 so it's nice and smooth. Can't see any more of that machine finish. I think it's gonna lay real flat when I paint it. I'm just gonna use some single stage acrylic enamel. That's what I sprayed this whole car with. It's pretty shiny, it's really durable paint. Can't complain about it. It was only about $100 for a gallon for the Dove gray. So I'm gonna spit some paint on these and see what they look like. All right guys, I got them all painted up. I just used my little DeVilbiss detail gun there and just some stuff that I got from Napa, you know what I mean? And it actually laid down pretty flat. I can't see any of the machine marks on it or anything, so I think it's gonna match good. Let's go get the old ones off and see what we can do. Basically, all you gotta do to get these old door handles off is drill those 2 rivets out, and then we'll take the door panel off and do all the linkage and stuff, and it should pull right up on out of there. So let's get to work. Well, here's the final product, guys. I noticed some other people that were installing these, it was really tight on this side. So when I drilled my holes, I went and oblonged it towards the lock cylinder a little bit, and I think I got it centered up pretty good. They sit nice and flush in there. It looks pretty good. It's got it works really good. It's nice and crisp. It's got a good sound to it. Functions very well, so I got nothing bad to say about these things. I think it looks good. It's a high quality piece, and you know, thanks LMR for putting in the time to come out with just a subtle little upgrade like this that makes kind of a big difference in the way the side of this car looks. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys.